Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a PR haul. I never do these videos, literally ever, because one, I don't want to come off like I'm bragging, but number two, because I don't know. So if you take this as bragging, it's bragging. If you don't take this as bragging, this video is for you. So I attended Mecca Land last Thursday, which was the 17th? Fuck, I don't know what day it is, never mind. I was invited by Mecca to attend their huge makeup festival. It was like IMATS on steroids, so much better than IMATS. It was actually such a fun day. I got invited to the PR event. I'll leave the vlog down below if you guys want to check out what happened at the event. You guys can go and see how amazing it was. So as I was leaving the event, we got given goodie bags, and as soon as I got this goodie bag, I was like, people are going to flip. Yeah, I always ask you guys on my Instagram, like, do you guys want me to do more PR unboxings, like on my Instagram, on my YouTube? And so many of you love seeing these kinds of videos. This is not sponsored by Mecca. I wish it was Mecca. If you're like, you want to sponsor me, hit me up, girl. So the first thing that we got as soon as we went into Mecca Land was merch. This cute as baseball cap honey and this jumper. It just has like a ton of their like logos and stuff. It's so cute. Oh my god, fucking the foundation, I can't. Now we weren't allowed to buy anything from Mecca Land, which was so frustrating because they had this Smashbox and Vlada, the entire collaboration, they had the entire range there, and I wanted to buy that highlighter so freaking badly, but they wouldn't let us because legally they had to wait until Mecca Land, like the Friday. We went on the Thursday, Mecca Land officially was on the Friday for public to buy anyway. After we left, we got given this huge bag of goodies. Wait, let's do a thumbnail. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna put this on my lap and then we're gonna go through it together. Another thing that we got first were these Too Faced sunnies, and here is what they look like. Here, in my head, these are like, if you want the acid trip without the acid, these are your glasses that you go for. I've never done that, so I can't vouch for that, but in my mind. By the way, the lashes that I'm wearing are Naomi, just in case anyone's wondering. It's my own line, I'll leave it down below. They're really gorge lashes, just so you know. By the way, Naomi might have a little sister soon. Just saying. You did not hear that from me. I don't know what you're talking about. First thing from the bag that we actually got is the Dermalogica Professional Grade Skincare. It's just like a little pack. The Special Cleansing Gel, which I love for taking off makeup, like with my Clarisonic. And then we have the Daily Microfoliant, the Skin Smoothing Cream, which I haven't tried actually. Maybe I should give that a go. And then we also have the Multivitamin Power Firm Eye Cream. I think it's an eye cream. These are going to be amazing for travel. I never travel, but like when I need to travel or whatever, these are going to be perfect though. I'm not bringing around like a chunky ass cleanser, exfoliator, you know. Thank you so much to Dermalogica, and you know, I'm just gonna say thank you now for all of the brands, and thank you to Mecca for inviting me to this event. I'm thankful for everything that I get, and you guys know that. The next thing that we have is a NARS Danger Control palette. I'll open this up real quick. So here is what the palette looks like here. It's really, really cute. This purple looks gorgeous. The next thing that we got is by Skin Iceland, and this is Iceland. Anyway, this is the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. I've always wanted to try an eye gel before, like those things that you put under your eyes that like depuff and all that shit. So I'm probably gonna pop these in the fridge for an hour, then pop them on, and I will keep you updated on Instagram. The next thing that we have is by Too Faced, and this is a Angel Tears Magical Effects Lipstick. Oh wow, so this is like a glitter top coat. That is really, really pretty. It always has like a pink shift to it. Can I just say how lit the Too Faced booth was? It was like right at the front. There was a huge fucking rainbow. There was a unicorn, ring light, boomerang, like it was crazy. The next thing that we have is by, oh, this is by Replica. This is a like a perfume brand, and their packaging is kind of everything, and I was loving their scents. I wonder which one this is. Oh wow. This is the scent Jazz Club, I think. The fragrance description is heady cocktails and cigars. Oh, it's a male fragrance. I reckon it's female, but alright. I wear women's perfume all the time anyway, so whatever. The next couple of things that we got here are by Ciate. So we have a Dewy Sticks Illuminating Balm, and we have a Glitter Flip. Oh my god, I've wanted to try these for so freaking long. This is like that liquid lipstick that dries down, and then you go like this, and then it goes like all glittery and shit. You have like glitter lips. So I'm gonna give this a go, maybe in a first impressions video. The next thing we have is by $1 Billion Brows, and this is a universal brow pencil. Now, I don't know if universal means you can use it for different things like eyeliner or liner in the waterline, or if it means like this shade is universal, because I have dark as fuck brows. So we'll see how that goes. The next thing we have here is by Too Faced, and this is a, oh my god, I have to open this up. This is a palette. This is called Life's a Festival, and this is literally what their entire booth looked like. It was so awesome. And when you open it up, you have the palette. This purple is screaming my name, hello. And this shade here, that's really, really, really pretty. This is really nice. It's almost like a soft, like it's almost like a padded, yeah, case. Once again, another huge shout out to Too Faced. I just finished filming a first impressions video on their It Just Comes Naturally collection, and I will leave that down below when it goes up. I'm wearing all of the cheek products, the eyeshadows, the lip color. So if you guys like all of this, then this video will be coming soon. Don't stress. Guys, we've literally got so much left. Oh my god, I was so excited for this. You guys know that I love the Glam Glow is a gravity mud, the purple one that you peel off. And so when I saw that we got this, I was like over the moon. This is the Glam Glow hashtag glitter mask. It is a gravity mud firming treatment, and it is basically the glitter mask that everyone's using on Instagram right now, and I'm so excited to give this a go. I know that glitter doesn't do anything to help the skin like at all, and that's almost like an ingredient that doesn't need to be there, but at the same time, I want to see how this compares to the original gravity mud, if that's what it's called. Dry shampoo by Bumble and Bumble. I've wanted to use a Bumble and Bumble product for so long. Oh, how is it a dry shampoo? It's like, that's weird, okay. That smells really good though. We have another product by Ciate. This is the Wonder Wand Mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. I love new mascaras. Oh wow, this packaging is beautiful. It feels heavy as well, like it's got a really good weight to it. Decent size mascara one. This looks a little bit like the Better Than Sex mascara, which I've never used anyway, so this will be interesting. Oh my god, this I was dying over when I saw that we got this. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Pink Light. This is the Fix Plus with the shimmer in it that's been going viral, and this actually has like a ball in it. So you're meant to shake it really, really well, but honestly, I remember when I was working at MAC and we didn't even have this. What we used to do is we used to mix some vanilla pigment. Like we used to open this up, like take off the freaking cap, grab some vanilla pigment, throw it into our normal Fix Plus bottles, give it a shake, and that was pretty much the exact same thing. So if you guys have some shimmer pigment that can work as a highlighter on the skin, and if the pigment does work as a highlight on your skin tone, then you can just pop some into your favorite setting spray, give it a shake, and then off you go. So I will use that in a video when I have completely finished my normal Fix Plus. I go through Fix Plus like underwear. It just, every day, new bottle. So we have two goodies from Hourglass. This is the Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. Let me open this up. This is in Champagne Flash. Guys, I also just want to point out that most of these products, if not all of them, will be available on Mecca's website. I will leave Mecca's website down below if you guys want to check them out. And if they're not available yet, then they most likely should be coming soon, like very soon. Some products are coming out like May, start of June, so yeah, keep an eye out. Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really pretty. And then we also got a ambient lighting powder from Hourglass, dim light. So basically with these, some of them anyway, you can use them as like an actual face powder, and it will give you a very soft glow to the face as far as I'm concerned, like as far as I know, I don't know. The next product that we got is the, oh fuck, I'm gonna butcher this. This is the Couture Matte Stain by YSL, or Yves Saint Laurent, if you're like fucking fancy. This is in the shade 15, Violet Conviction, Violet Conviction. This is what it looks like here. It is absolutely stunning. It kind of goes with my backdrop a little bit. These are lip stains, and they freaking stain, honey. Like I swatched this on the back of my hand when I was at Mecca Land, and it stained my hand for like maybe not 3 days, that's a bit fucking dramatic. But for a good day after it, you could definitely still see like the pink streak. Here is what the applicator looks like. It is that meant to be bent? But as you can see, it is slanted. So it'll be really, really good for when you're like marking out your Cupid's bow. And if you want to get like a really precise line without a lip liner, I think this should be really, really good. I want to give this a go in a video, I think. So here we have the Kate Somerville Dermal Quench Liquid Lift Advanced Wrinkle Treatment. Okay, honey, I'm gonna need a refund for the product I didn't buy. Ooh. Can you see that? It's like bubbling. Oh, that's weird. But what does it do? But hold on, is this just like water? And they're selling it for $48? Like, Auntie K, I'm watching you. Hold on. Prime the applicator by spraying 3 times away from the face. Press can't even pronounce that word. Press the fucking button, dispense product onto the face, and immediately massage. Okay, so you actually want to massage this into your skin. I'm really interested. I'm gonna use this tonight. I'll let you know. Okay, what else have we got? We have a Bare Minerals blush in the shade Pink Me Up. It is part of the Gen Nude range, which is gorgeous. I love me a new blush. I love me some blush. We also have the Urban Decay Naked Heat Petite palette. I was so excited when we got this because these shades are literally my tones, like my go-to tones for when like I travel or for most of my makeup looks anyway. So when you open it up, here is what it looks like. We've got a bunch of matte shades and then one like satin, like it has like a little bit of shimmer to it. But aren't these tones everything? Okay, my bad. So here we have the Origins Ginseng, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff. She has dark under eye circles. She needs the brightening-ation of the situation, okay? I've been watching too much Wendy, I can't do it. We have some more skincare. We have the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Such a cool little component here, and I love the colors. It's so cute. But the fact that their brand name is Drunk Elephant, like me, honestly. Here we have a Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. I use the Pixie Glow Tonic Toner all the time and I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it for the past few years. I'm really excited to see how this goes. Next we have the Grown Alchemist Hydra Care Kit and we have a Hydra Mist. So I've never used anything from Grown Alchemist or heard anyone talk about Grown Alchemist products before. So here is what the Hydra Mist looks like. It looks like it's got something in there. Okay. Desert Lime Amino Peptide Hydra something plus Citron Vert. Whatever. Okay, fuck. Let's just spray it. It literally smells like nothing. So this is not a setting spray. This is a skincare spray, okay, you guys? So don't be using this fucking over your makeup and shit. And then we have the hand cream, and I love me some hand cream because my hands are always dry because I'm always using like antibacterial soap or hand sanitizer when I'm doing makeup and stuff like that. So hand cream always comes in handy. I'm not trying to get dermatitis over here, you know. From Mecca Max, we have the Interstellar eyeshadow in Moonshine. Now, I think this is a cream eyeshadow. It looks like a really cool eyeshadow. Is it like an eyeshadow base? Should I try it? Okay, let's just swatch it. Oh. It's lit. Okay, so it's like a paste, almost like a jelly highlighter, if I'm honest. Wow, okay. Only 3 products left, I promise. We have the Mecca Max Galactic Gloss in the shade Aurora Ore, and this is like it looks like a duochrome gloss with a pink and blue shift to it. From Stila, we have the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Beauty Junkie, which was exclusive to the festival. I don't know if this is going to be available in store. I'm pretty sure it's going to be. This is the shade here. It is a gorgeous pink with gold glitter through it. Like, oh, fucking hell, it's just stunning. Then last but not least, we have a little Mario Badescu bag here, and this is celebrating their 50th anniversary. And in here, we have the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Oh, it smells so good. So guys, that concludes this video, this Mecca Land PR haul. Before you click that little X in the corner, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I want to see you come back. I want to see you with that notification bell on. So be sure to leave a comment of your favorite product or what you want me to try out first in a video. I would love to know. I will leave the appropriate links down below in the description for you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.